How to make your machine last longer Part 2. Number 3. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance regimen. A maintenance schedule will be included in the manual for your unit. Stick to it. Keep in mind, however, that the manufacturer's recommended maintenance intervals are based on typical operating conditions. If you operate your equipment in a climate with a lot of mug, ice, snow, or temperature extremes, you may need to maintain it more frequently. Number 4. Make a maintenance checklist and stick to it. A maintenance checklist is a useful tool for staying organized and ensuring that no portion of the machine is ignored. The following items should be on the maintenance checklist. Look for corrosion, dents, or other damage on the undercarriage. Examine the filters, fluid levels, lines, and fittings during the brake inspection. Make that the fluid levels, air filter, belts, hoses, and batter connections are all in good working order. You can print and follow 2 thorough maintenance checklists below. Checklists for Caterpillar safety and maintenance. Number 5. Avoid overworking your machinery using the John Deere Safety and Maintenance Inspection Checklist. Performance specifications can be found in the owner's manual. It's critical to stick to load and incline weight restrictions, as overworking your machine might cause exhaust issues. If you see signs of overheating, give your machine a rest and limit use to a minimum outside of acceptable operating temperatures. Number 6. Properly store your equipment. Because water can cause rust, your construction equipment should be stored in a covered, dry area away from direct sunshine and water. If you're going to store your equipment for an extended period of time, make sure to start and move it at least once a month. This will aid in the preservation of lubricant. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.